Hello everyone, welcome to Publicize e-discussion. Today we are going to demonstrate Excel based data entry utility with GST, which has been created by us. Let us see, which enables to record the sales and also to print the tax invoice in a auto-populated way, and also it is able to record the purchase, and also we are getting that receipt and payment transaction is also possible to maintain here. And with the collective effort of that transaction, stock register will be generated, and then outstanding reports will come based on debtor and creditor. And also we are getting the statutory report from here based on the GST, and GST summary will be viewed with the proper adjustment of the ITC, that is basic of the GST. And with the collective effort of this, also it facilitates the MIS view based on accounts, inventory and transaction. Bill-wise margin will be viewed based on this report. This is the short view demonstration of our utility, and in details we are coming soon. Thank you.